Java source code files in an Eclipse IDE live inside of a concept called a project. And without a project, you cannot add source code files for editing, nor can you compile and run those programs. So the first step in being able to run an existing program in Eclipse or being able to create a new program in Eclipse is creating a Java project. So over here in the Package Explorer window, this is where you're going to see the various projects that you have open at any given time. And within one workspace, you can have actually many separate projects open. So I'm going to right click here and select New Java Project, which I can also access, by the way, through the File menu or the toolbar up above the Package Explorer window. And when I click that, I'm given a new Java project window where I can provide a name for the project, indicate where I want the source code for that project to be stored, and I can also make some other selections as well. So let's just say I want to create a project called test just for argument's sake. I can type that in here. I'm going to leave all the default settings, which is fine for use with the examples that we present. And when I click next, it will allow me, if I want to specify some additional settings for the project. And again, I'm not going to do that here. I'm simply going to click Finish. Now, when I do that and I expand this node, you'll notice that there's a source folder here. And within that source folder right now, there's nothing. And then there's a link to the Java runtime environment for Java 8, which is going to allow us to compile Java 8 and earlier programs actually using the IDE. So that's a nice feature of the IDE. It can also sometimes lead to errors while you're still writing your code because you haven't completed writing an individual statement or a piece of a program yet as well.